How to use Waze navigation. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use Waze navigation. Now, what's the first thing to do? The first thing to do is to download the Waze application into your mobile device. Now, once it's downloaded, just go ahead and open up the application. Sorry. Once you open the app, you'll be brought to this page. Now, on this page, that is the home page. All right. Once you're on this home page and you're wondering how you can navigate through the app. The first way is by clicking on the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three dashes. Click on it. Then once you click on it, you'll be directed to another page. On this page, you'll see plan a drive, inbox, settings, help and feedback, then shut off. Just click on settings. Once you click on settings, on this page you'd see driving preferences, all right, and under it you'd see navigation. Just click on it. Now once you click on it, here you can set your navigation, like your navigation settings, if it's to avoid tolls or not, if it's to avoid ferries, if it's to avoid freeways. Just go ahead and set this, all right. Then the vehicle type you want, if it's private, if it's a taxi, if it's a motorcycle, you can select that here. Then once you are done here, just go back to the home page. Now this home page, next thing for you to do is to click on, let's go back. Now click on the search icon located by the lower part of the screen. Just click on it like that. And once you click on it, you'll see here uh you can search out the places you want to go by typing in the address of the place. Okay, so this address will depend majorly on the where you are staying currently. So let me select this as my location. This is where I'm heading to. Let's navigate through. You can just view route and calculating your route. 2 minutes, okay, from here, there, yeah, okay. Yes, you've seen it, and then from here you can just go check through to see. Currently you can see that there's a police search there. Just move through, navigate through, search through, and yes, if you want to go to that location now, you can click on go now. But if you want to leave later, just click on leave later. Leave later is located by the left side of the screen, lower part of the screen. Just click on leave later. That's way. And you can see you from here you'll be asked to enter in your location from where to where. That is at the upper part of the screen. Then you select where you are. If it's here, just select it and we plan the drive. When do you want to go there? Tomorrow, next tomorrow, Thursday, Saturday. Just input everything, and then once it has loaded, click on saved. And if you want to change it or do other things, you can always do this after saving your drive. All right. Okay. Yes. Click on saved. Um, then once that is done, you can go back, and as you can see, drive saved. You get a reminder when the time is ready. Then also for other things, if you want to go for gas or food, parking, groceries on and more, there's more options for you on the Waze app. It's so easy to navigate through and you have a lot of things. So if you want to get groceries, just click on groceries and you'll be taken to the grocery stores next to your location, different grocery stores where you can get different things around you. You just select it and from there you'll be told on what to do. This is how you can use Waze navigation. Thanks for watching.